Good afternoon. Hi, everyone. Today we have the delicious Yummy Burgers. This is one of our favorite family treats. Mariam, she's the expert at making these tasty, delicious hamburgers, handmade, very delicious, and by the way, nutritious.
Thank you. Hi everyone. Today's recipe is a homemade burgers, very delicious and nutritious, as my husband said earlier. Stay with me to see all the ingredients and how to make it step by step, and you will love it. For the ingredients, we will need some ground meat. I used here ground beef. You can use ground chicken, ground turkey, or mix them together. And one chopped onion. The secret of the burgers to be tender is to add onions and also for flavor. Also, some parsley, chopped parsley, fresh parsley. Add everything together. And for the spices, this is the Moroccan way. I use some paprika, a little bit black pepper, salt, cumin, some garlic powder, or you can use the fresh one, and some chili powder or cayenne pepper if you like it low spicy. Then we mix everything together. I prefer that you use your hands on mixing this ground meat with the onions, parsley, and all the spices, so everything gets well together, all the spices and all the ingredients. After mixing the ground meat, now we will shape it into burgers. Here I took one container top, around one. I put some olive oil there or any oil. Then I measure a half cup of the ground meat and shape it right there. A half cup like that, all of them have the same size. I continue doing this until I finish everything. This quantity gave me 6 burgers, half cup burgers. I will use 4 of them, but the rest I will freeze it. You can freeze them good, wrap them separately, and put them in a freezer bag. And whenever you need one, you can take it out. And for the garnish here, I sauteed some peppers and onions with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can use them fresh or sauteed. And now I took a hot skillet. I warm it good before that I put my burgers. You can put a little bit of oil there, but if you're using a non-stick one, you don't need to. I put here 4 burgers. I will cook them on a medium to high heat. Then from one side, then I will flip them to the other side until it is brown and nice. For the bread or the rolls for the burgers, you can use any kind you prefer. I'm using here 2 different kinds. You can use the soft rolls or something like that. And for the garnish, I have some hot peppers, jalapenos. You can use hot and sweet ones. Some lettuce, tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, cheese, and the onions and the peppers that I sauteed earlier, ketchup, some sriracha sauce, that's optional, and white sauce. White sauce, I did the recipe in the channel. You can use mayo. I put some cheese on top of my burgers to melt before that I put it on the bread. For the bread, I put my white sauce. You can use mayo, then cheese, whatever cheese you prefer or you like. Some onions. You can use fresh onions. And sauteed bell pepper. You can use the orange, yellow, red, any color you like. Then my burger with the melted cheese. It looks yummy right now. The melted cheese is really good on top of the burgers. Give it a nice flavor. Then I put a slice of tomatoes on top of each one. And the hot peppers. You can use hot and sweet peppers if you like it spicy. The garnish is up to each person. Whatever you like, you put it on top of your burger. I put some ketchup here. Well, this burger is nothing between this burger and diet. Does have some calories, this burger. Now I put some lettuce. You can shred it or you can put a whole piece like that. And some sriracha sauce. Then put some more white sauce or mayo on the rest of the roll or the bread. This white sauce is delicious. I will leave the link in the description box under the video. Now my burgers are ready to eat. They're looking good and also tasting good. Believe me, they were really delicious. The meat so tender and it's flavorful. If you try this recipe, you will love it. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments how did you like it, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe. Thank you and have a good day. Enjoy.